What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jcentric, and I want to know, have you ever thought about starting a YouTube? Would you like to make money off of doing the things that you love to do? Well, you came to the right place. I'm here to tell you the keys that you need to start a YouTube for free. That's right, I said it, for free. And some of the things that I've done to make my videos successful with starting my small channel. And yes, it's still small and it's still growing, but at the same time, it's doing something that I love to do. So without further ado, we're about to get into step 1. Find your niche. What do you like to do? What are the type of content that you like to bring to the world? And who are you? I don't want to go to a channel and see videos all over the place, because I want to go to a channel to see something very specific. It's what that creator brings on a daily basis. With that being said, you have to find your niche. What do you love to do? Who are you trying to market yourself to? Step 2. Recording and editing software. Let's move to the laptop for this one. For recording, if you're going to be recording stuff on your computer or what have you, you can use your phone. You can use a multitude of different things. But specifically, like for my channel, I do gaming. I like to use OBS. It is an open broadcast software. It's completely free and it's able to be used on Windows, Mac, and Linux OS. This is what OBS looks like. If we bring it here, you're able to see the recording, you're able to see your audio, your visuals, and you're able to set up a multitude of different things. So it's one of the best well-rounded softwares that I've used ever. And a multitude of different high-level YouTube channel artists actually use this program to get their recording. Second, we're going to look at editing software, because you have to edit your videos, right? So we're going to look at Hit Films. This is one of the softwares I use to edit my videos. You can put things in a timeline. As such, you can have your audio here, you can have your visuals here, you can cut, edit, all that good stuff. They have a multitude of different effects that you can put on your videos. It is a wonderful program that I use for editing my videos, and I love it, and I recommend it. And guess what? It's free. Here's a bonus for you. Canva is one of the best websites I've gone to for several different things when it comes to making posters, making YouTube thumbnails, making videos. You can edit content, and all you have to do is go to search, type in YouTube, and chances are there's going to be a search that has what it is that you're looking for. So I go here mainly for the thumbnails, filter for free, and you'll be able to find a multitude of different products that you need. The thumbnail is one of the best things that you're going to want to spend a lot of time on. It's what pulls the viewer in. And you can upload your own graphics here. You can have different elements here where you can search for certain things, and you can completely manipulate whatever it is that you want to say. YouTube gaming channel. Boom. You're gonna have to sign up for an account. Step 3. Equipment. When it comes to equipment, this is some things that you are gonna have to pay for eventually as you tend to grow your channel.
No, God, please, no!
And I understand that money is not always easily come by, and you're here to make money, but sometimes you gotta spend money to make it. So these are gonna be some of the things that I use in order to bring some of the content to you. This is a stand for a mic that I have, that I'm currently using right now, this one, and it is a USB 3 mic, I believe. So USB to the computer, USB-C to the actual mic, and it has this really cool LED effect that I like, and it's only $34. It brings you wonderful sound. It sounds really good for the price range that it is. You can mute it, you mute the mic in mid recording. This is the actual swing arm that I use to hold the mic up, so I don't have to have it on the little stand. The little stand can be a little inconvenient for me. So this is only $16. I love it. It's easy to use, and I mean, it was a super easy install. For a gaming channel, something like mine, I highly recommend the 4K audio video capture card. I don't think you can really do too much without it. Unless you're recording straight off of the console that you're using or your PC. It requires the HDMI, and then the USB plugs right into your computer. For all my gamers out there and all the ones that want to start the gaming channel, this is a must. You have to get the Chat Link Pro. I recommend the Chat Link Pro. I get the Chat Link is only $99, but the Pro has an actuator there that'll allow you cut out any of the noise that you get when you're charging your controllers, so that you're able to hear all of the audio from the game, from your chat party, and from you with the external microphone that you're going to get with this product. So I really hope that was helpful for you guys. I really hope that it was something that you could benefit from. I did a lot of research for some of the best products that you can get for cheap and some of the best ways you can make YouTube videos for free. If you could do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and watch the entirety of the videos that I have on my channel. That really helps out a lot with getting watch time hours up, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified anytime that I drop any of that ninja content. All right, y'all, it's your boy Jcentric, and we out.